Search for Add Service Book. Select Fees as the service type. Enter the book name and a series prefix for your invoices. Fees book created successfully. Now, the real process begins. Click Create New Entry. Select the student. Then, choose the income ledger. Select Fees Income, or create a new ledger. Give it a name that makes sense. School fees, sports fees, due fees, tuition fees. Choose what fits your records. Now, enter the payment details. Create the entry. Fees entry created successfully. Your fee records are now safely organized. You can view every fee entry whenever you need it. Search your books. Select the school fees book you created. And there it is, fee receipts and history. Need to find something specific? Simply search by book name.